Hello there! It's time for Story Revival. And today, we'll tell you the story behind the festival of Naraka Chaturdashi, which is celebrated during Diwali. Once upon a time, the earth goddess Bhudevi had a son. This son was created during a battle with the demon Hiranyaksha. And so, this son had both godly and demonic qualities in him. This son was named Narakasura, and he grew up to be a powerful man. He set up his city in what is Assam in India today and started ruling there. Seeing his powerful potential, a demon by the name Banasura tried joining forces with him and to influence him. Under the influence of Banasura, Narakasura started developing his wicked demonic side and became a cruel ruler. All his subjects suffered and he was creating a menace everywhere. But Narakasura wasn't satisfied. He became greedy for even more power. And so he started performing a penance or tapasya to please Lord Brahma. After many years of intense penance, he was successful and Lord Brahma appeared, saying, Narakasura, you have performed such intense tapasya. I am very pleased with you and will grant you any boon that you wish for, except for immortality. I cannot grant you that. Narakasura was a little disappointed, but he came up with a brilliant idea. He knew that he was the son of Bhudevi, and also he thought that it would be almost impossible for a mother to kill her own child. And so Narakasura asked Lord Brahma for a boon that he could be killed only by his mother Bhudevi. Lord Brahma said, Tathastu, so be it, and disappeared. After getting this boon, Narakasura grew even more fearless and powerful and started wreaking havoc in all the three worlds. The gods beseeched Lord Vishnu to save them from Narakasura. At this time, Vishnu was living on earth in his Krishna avatar, and his wife was Satyabhama, who was a form of Bhudevi. So when the gods asked him for help, Krishna started preparing for battle with Narakasura, and surprisingly, Satyabhama decided to accompany him. Satyabhama did not know that she was a form of Bhudevi, Narakasura's mother. In the battlefield, a fierce fight took place between Narakasura and Krishna. At one point, Narakasura pulled out an extremely powerful weapon and aimed it at Krishna. Krishna was hit and he pretended to fall unconscious. Satyabhama saw Krishna fall and she was enraged. She picked up the weapons and attacked Narakasura. Both Narakasura and Satyabhama did not know that Satyabhama was Bhudevi herself. When Satyabhama wounded Narakasura, Krishna arose and he told them about this fact. He had pretended to fall unconscious so that Satyabhama could hit Narakasura, since Lord Brahma's boon said that Narakasura could be killed only by his mother. This way, despite having a boon that made him almost impossible to destroy, Narakasura was killed by Krishna and Satyabhama. This victory of good over the evil of ego, arrogance, pride, greed is celebrated as the festival of Naraka Chaturdashi. So that was the story behind the festival of Naraka Chaturdashi, which is celebrated during Diwali on the day before the new moon day. We hope you enjoyed this story revival and will be back soon for more.